Sorry, I wasn't meant to do the moan at the end. Fun fact about me. If someone tickles me, I will literally moan. Yeah? Look, wait. See? I moaned. So please do not tickle me. Oh, this drink is so nice and cold. And it is literally boiling in this car. You're probably surprised. You're like, just take off your freaking cardigan. No thanks, sir. Ma'am. Whatever the frick your name, whatever gender you are. I'm joking. Just like, calm down. Calm down. Calm down, Jamal. Seriously. Calm down, Jamal. Oh, damn. Oh, dude. That was juicy. I shall end this video when I finish my Fanta. Like, simple. So simple. And the guy is staring at me. It's actually bad. Oh. 1 minute. Lighting is so bad. Oh, I see a guy who's got a monster jacket. You know, the monster drinks. Sorry if I keep on buffing. I need to let them know, you know? On purpose. Yes, of course on purpose. Not by accident. Like, on purpose, bitch. Musty, crusty you. I'm sorry. Sometimes I moan after my burps. I'm so sorry. You'll ban me from TikTok. It's not TikTok. By the way, go follow me on TikTok, please. My name's You Weird Bean Lol. Yeah. Spelt YOUWEIRDBEANLOL. Or is it Silly Bean? No, it's Weird Bean. Yeah. Go follow me on TikTok, please. And my Snapchat is SwaggyPig1011. Add me. So yeah, that's my